Welcome back. One of the newer features of ChatGPT that could be underrated is the ability to search your conversation. If you unhide your sidebar, you will then see the magnifying glass for the search. And to search your ChatGPT, either for searches that you've done or previous conversations in chat that you've done, you will then be able to go to this element to click on Search the Chats. You can also click Control-K. You may see suggestions here in this area, but what you can also do is you can write in what you think your search was. You will then see all of the conversations the ChatGPT has with the phrase that you are looking for. And if you know that you have a search query based on that phrase, you will then be able to find it here in this area along with all of the chats that you may have undertaken with that search phrase. Each of these elements then are clickable. So if you click the element, you'll then be taken to that specific conversation. Now, the sources don't open by default. However, you can click on the sources in order to open up the right side panel with all of your sources. So you can use the search feature inside of ChatGPT to find all of your information depending on how you generated it. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.